Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 55 Chev. There's a 350 under the hood and this baby's been on the rotisserie. That's right, the bottom side of this car is just as pretty as the top. She is beautiful. You can see the chrome here, here, everywhere. It looks brand new. The trims on the headlights are looking sweet. The nose on the hood looks good. I tell you, just a beautiful, beautiful car here. This color, it's like a deep emerald color. It's got a light metallic in it and it is looking sweet. As you look down the side of the car, you can see it's got Restomod wheels on it and the paint job is just as straight as can be. All that trim going down the side is all polished up. Of course, these 55s have got polish on them everywhere. You see the stainless here, all of it looking sweet. And look at the custom interior. Custom door panels, custom seats, custom steering wheel. You can see the back seats all customized also, package tray, headliner, and heck, even the dome lights working, looking good. All the paint on the dash is brand new. It's got an aftermarket cluster in it there that fits in the stock location and it's looking sweet. One beautiful ride, and actually I was out driving this car yesterday. Drives like a dream. I love the white on it also. It's kind of an off-white. Of course, don't forget, I always tell the 55s by the gas door. You know, the 56s open up in here and the tail light opens, you put the gas in there. You can see the chrome on the back bumpers looking sweet. The chrome here on this emblem also looking like it's brand new. These are all things you need to look at on these cars. You can see the trunk's all finished off, looking good. Plenty of room in that trunk for just about anything you want. I mean, you could take this baby to the grocery store and put about $500 worth of groceries back there. And of course, everybody in the store is gonna come out and check you out in this beautiful 55 too. As you look down the passenger side, straight as can be. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we do not do any consignment. That means we own this car, so you know we did our homework and spent our time picking it out. The first thing we do when we get them back here to the shop is we put them up on the lift so you can see the bottom side of it. That way I can do the video and we can inspect it so Tom can answer every one of your questions when you give him a call at 248-974-9513. You can check us out on our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You're looking at us on YouTube right now, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell button so you get a notification every time we get a beautiful car in. All right, here we go for a ride. One amazing machine right here, baby. She is emerald green and looking good. It's got a great sounding exhaust on it and we can ship it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. And take a look down here on the dash. Everything is bright and shiny, looking good. Gauges are aftermarket in the stock location, which is very cool. And it's got a tilt column too. And lay that baby right down in your lap. Now, we're very close to the airport, so if you'd like to come in and visit us, we'd love to have you. Or if you need to send an inspector, no problem whatsoever. We're so close to the airport, a lot of people can fly in the morning and fly right back out that afternoon. And we have plenty of hotels here, so if you want to stay, you want to go visit Henry Ford Museum while you're in town, Don't forget, you're in the Motor City. This is where it all started, right here. And we can help out with financing too. Just talk to Tom, he'll hook you up. And we've got a whole team of mechanics that can do anything to a muscle car that you may want done. So if you see something you'd like a little different, just talk to Tom, he'll get you a price, and then we'll get this dream parked in your driveway. Now we're about to put this baby up in the air so we can show you just how nice the bottom side is right now, so stick with us. All right, we're underneath this beautiful car, and like I said, look at the bottom side. It is all painted also. And look at this, looks like a stainless steel gas tank, and look at those TIG welds. Looks like my wife did that on her sewing machine. Man, that's beautiful. We got brand new exhaust here. Looks like it's an aluminized system. Back in the day when they built this was all chrome, looking sweet. We got a Currie rear end, right around a 350 gear. It does have disc brakes on it. It is a limited slip, so it is posi, guys. Looks like the fuel pump's mounted up here to the frame. We got a nice tie here on the frame. They've run these 4 links right up to it, looking sweet. It comes, it's actually like a drive shaft loop too, that's cool. Everything up here is painted nice. You can see that all the bushings are brand new. Heck, they even painted the drive shaft here. These look like Flowmasters, and oh yeah, it says Flowmaster right there, so they are Flowmasters. We got 700 R4 trans. This is a crate trans. We got 3/4 length headers. The whole front suspension is customized too. It's a height setup, looking sweet. Rack and Pinion Steering has been added. You can see disc brakes up front here also. Everything under here is clean. A big sway bar. Back side of the front bumper looks like it's just as new as the front side. Looks like an original bumper too, because I can see the wear on the back, and then they re-chromed it, so that's very cool. It's not a reproduction, it's a re-chrome. We got Billet Specialties Wheels. If I could find the size, I'd tell you 215, 45, 17. Those wheels are sweet too, all done with CNC, looking good. You can see these lips on the front fenders here. Everything's nice and solid. Doesn't look like there's any patches. Bottom side of the rockers, just as clean as the top side. She's beautiful and all painted up nice. Out back here, we got more rubber. We got 255, 45, 17s back here. And again, on some beautiful rims, and you can see those disc brakes in there. Now let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood, we got a GM 350 with a ramjet setup on it. Man, she is sweet. Now, for those of you who don't know what a ramjet is, that is fuel injection. So very similar to what they put on cars today. And it's multi-port fuel injection. You see each one of those injectors there? It still has a distributor, obviously. We've got all the wiring looking nice and neat back here. We got a serpentine belt setup on it. Of course, it's got AC, it's got power steering, and it does have power brakes. The firewall's all nicely painted. The inner fenders are all nicely painted. Everything's looking sweet on this baby. Raise the hood of this, you're gonna win some awards. Now we've got a polished radiator. Now they've moved the radiator to the front of the core support here, and this core support's custom also. So I'll tell you what, a lot of custom work went into this baby. Guys, give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.